Hello everyone. Have you ever paused to wonder why you're here? Yes, you, sitting there listening to this. Why exactly are you here in this vast universe? Let's dive into that thought for a moment. You see, the very fact that you were born, that you took that first breath, is proof enough that you're a winner. Out of millions of possibilities, it was you who made it through, and that's no small feat. But here's something even more intriguing. I firmly believe that each of us is here for a reason. No, you didn't just randomly pop into existence. You were placed here, on this planet, with a divine plan, a plan meticulously crafted just for you. Now, I know life can sometimes feel like a series of random events. But think about it. Every challenge, every joy, every pain, every moment of ecstasy, hasn't it all shaped you into who you are today and who you're becoming tomorrow? That's the divine plan in action. It's not always clear, and yes, sometimes it feels like we're lost in translation. But every piece fits somewhere in this vast puzzle of existence. So why settle? Why settle for anything less than what you can achieve? If you've been aiming low, it's time to raise the bar. Expect more from yourself and God. Not because I said so, but because that's the truth. You are capable of so much more than you've been led to believe. Remember, every step you take is a part of your journey, a journey that is uniquely yours. It's your personal story of triumph, of battling odds, of rising, and of embodying the divine purpose you're here to fulfill. So, take a moment today. Just sit back and think, what have I been called to do? How can I align my life with this grand divine plan of God for me? How can I live a life that not only reaches my potential, but also glorifies the essence of who I am supposed to be? You're here for a reason. Never doubt that. Embrace it, chase it, live it. And in doing so, not only will you fulfill your destiny, but you'll also light the way for others. Bless you, and remember, the journey to greatness begins with a single step in the right direction. Let's make that step count today. Thank you for listening and keep pushing forward. The world needs what you've got.